folks. Example number 1 says solve. Now, this says fractional equations. One thing that we know already, but I want to make sure that we state it again, you never want the variable to be in the denominator. Okay? You never want to know what 1 over x equals. You want to know what x equals. X over 1. Okay? We don't want to know what its reciprocal is. We want to know what it is. Okay? Now, I'm not going to do this thing any differently than the stuff that we did yesterday. Okay? I've got 3 fractions here. 3 over x minus 1 over 4 is equal to 1 over 12. Okay? What do I need to make sure that they all cancel? What do I need to multiply by to make sure that they all cancel? Okay? Parker J. Okay, well what is it? 12x, right? That's the thing that all of these denominators will go into. X will go into x. 4 will go into 12. 12 goes into 12. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 12x. Nice job, Parker. Nice. Okay? Now, let's think about this. When I distribute to this first term, what cancels out, Kyle? When I'm distributing to the first one. The x's do. But I'm left with the 12, right? So I need to go ahead and multiply that. So what do I get? 36. I get 36. So in that first term, the x's cancel. Okay? Now, Emily, when I distribute to the second term, what's canceling out? The 4 and the 12, and I'm left with what? 3x. So now it's going to be 3x times negative 1. So that gives me negative 3x. Because the 4 canceled with the 12, and the 12 turned into 3. Do you agree? Do you agree with that? And I was left with 3x out there? All right. Now, what happens on the right, SK? On the right side of this equal sign, what cancels? 12, and what am I left with? X times 1, which is x. Okay? Now let me stop there for a second. You feel good about that, Sophia? Yeah. Parker, you feel good about that? Parker, right? Grace? Okay. Now it's easy. Where do I go from here, Sophia?
Just add 4x.
Add 3x.
I mean, sorry, 3x.
Yep, you got it. I'm going to get 4x, right? Oh, teachers, huh? Divide both sides by 4, and what do I get?
X equals 9.
X equals 9. Bless you. You can plug it in to check it. 3 over 9 is what? A third? A third minus a fourth. A third is 4/12 minus 3/12 equals 1/12. Yep. It works. Good. Questions about this one? About this? Good. Let's look at the next one.